Alright, we're at 37 Jacob Keffer Parkway in Concord, Ontario. Look what I found. A Concord. We have a Concord in Concord to ride. Door close works. See how good or bad this one is. Okay, are you gonna close? That took long enough. Okay, the door close button doesn't want to work. Let's go. Black doors, a little beat up there. A little bit of a drop there. There's an 88 compliant foam. Not a bad looking elevator. Floor's nice. All the lights work. That's from me just moving around. This actually doesn't run too bad, despite some minor shaft noises. But I've said it a million times and I'll say it a million times more. They should have put in a real elevator. 1.5 or half floors, by the way. Come on, door close. All right. Here we are. There it goes. That's it.